G'day, High Country Scallywags here, Ron Jones fishing. You might see that up the back there. It's a little bit dark and nasty, and we're looking at 4:45 in the afternoon, so we're going in for a trout session using little bladed lures. And the technique I use, I leave my gear at the start point, get my little push bike here, and ride down to the start point, get my waders on, and then when I get out of the creek here, I've got the car, got the key, and I'm ready to go. It makes sense rather than walking back 2 or 3 k's to the car when you're tired and old. Alright, see you again soon.